Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just got out of work. Let me turn on some lights here. And I wanted to give you a little update. So I found about 3-4 products so far for Amazon FBA, that is. And what I've been doing is trying to source them at the cheapest cost now while still maintaining quality, obviously. I don't want to sell crap. But what I'm checking out is Alibaba versus DHgate. So DHgate is another like wholesale or like Chinese manufacturer supplier finder. So basically I have like 3 products and most of them are cheaper on Alibaba, but that doesn't include shipping. So DHgate, most things, almost everything is free air shipping, which is awesome. So the product might be a little bit higher price, but do the math after shipping, that's part of your product cost, right? So add that up, and I just wanted to give this to you guys as a little tip. Check both, because I found 1 out of 3 times DHgate is actually the better deal. Some people I've heard have said that, oh, the prices are ridiculous. Yeah, but you're not taking into consideration that they have free shipping. So just a little tip for you guys. I'm so beat. I just got out of work and I'm just like grinding at work at a 9 to 5 to save up enough money for my first product. I'm trying to launch with about $2,000, so a little over halfway there. Gotta keep going though. I'll keep you guys posted. See you in the next video.